Now, here's your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, only in New England could you have snow, rain, freezing rain, record high temperatures, and then early morning lows falling down into the single digits. But that's exactly what we have in store for us over the next few days. And I'll tell you all about it coming up in your 7-day Futurecast. Outside this morning, mostly cloudy skies, still having some snow on the ground, but all that should be washed away or melted away later on this afternoon as temperatures continue to climb up through the 30s. But we may have some slippery spots, especially outside in northwestern Rhode Island this morning, because temperatures are hovering around the freezing mark, so any precipitation that falls may provide some slippery conditions in the northwestern part of the state. Later on this afternoon, rain and very strong winds is what's going to be in our forecast. Winds in the order of 30 to 40 miles an hour. And then as we head to the second part of the week, we're going to be seeing some very cold temperatures. Again, early morning lows falling down into the single digits and afternoon highs only into the teens. But outside this morning, very mild, 35 degrees in Providence, 36 degrees in Newport, 40 degrees in Westerly, and already 50 degrees outside in Block Island. Now, most of us will be warming up through the mid and upper 50s later on today. Some scattered rain showers off to the south coast, and those scattered showers will start to pick up in intensity as we have a batch of precipitation now pushing up towards the north and east. But all this precipitation is associated with a cold front now moving through the Great Lakes. It's going to be moving towards the west, and we'll finally clear southern New England later on this evening. Out ahead of that front, we're going to hold on to that winter weather advisory at least until 10 o'clock this morning. So any traveling, especially in the northwestern part of the state, they may have a few slick spots. Winds on the order of 30 miles an hour, but some gusts could be at times as high as 45 miles an hour for Cape Cod and the islands and along the south coast. And that wind will be in place at least until 10 o'clock this evening. After that front pushes through, we're going to hold on to a fairly gusty wind for tomorrow as well. So your Futurecast showing mostly cloudy skies, some scattered showers this afternoon, and then mostly cloudy skies again. But that front doesn't finally clear until later on this evening. So we're holding on to the threat of showers pretty much all day long, and some of those showers may be rather heavy at times. Heading into tomorrow, we'll see some sunshine early on, and then mostly sunny skies for the afternoon. Unfortunately, that northwesterly wind will be rather active at times, around 10 to 15 miles an hour, and that's going to be pulling down some cooler air. So highs tomorrow are a good 20 to 30 degrees cooler. Temperatures today close to breaking a record. We're going to be warming up into the mid and upper 50s this afternoon throughout all of southern New England, with those winds coming in from the southwest around 20 miles an hour. And the record high, again, 61 degrees. We should be close to that today. Unfortunately, I think it would just be a couple degrees shy of it. The forecast of this morning calls for mostly cloudy skies, some scattered showers. Again, those temperatures warming up through the 40s into the lower 50s, eventually topping out around 58 degrees by 1 o'clock this afternoon. And again, the threat of showers pretty much all afternoon long and into the evening hours. It's not until at least midnight when that front finally passes, and then we'll start to see some drier conditions. Highs today in the lower 50s along the south coast, 54 degrees in Hope Valley, 54 degrees in Charlestown, with winds out of the southwest around 10 to 15 miles an hour, into the mid and upper 50s and along the northern part of the state, with 54 degrees in Scituate, and eastern Massachusetts should also be into the mid and upper 50s as well, close to 57 degrees in New Bedford and Fall River, and 56 degrees in Seacon. Looking at your 7-day Futurecast, much cooler tomorrow with highs around 36 degrees. Tuesday, we could have a few scattered snow showers, and heading into Wednesday and Thursday, that cold Arctic air mass is just going to be absolutely frigid, especially during the morning hours on Thursday, close to 3 degrees. And when you factor in a gusty wind, we could have wind chill values 15 degrees below zero. Looks like the cold weather will stick around for Friday into Saturday as well.
Definitely safe to say Thursday looks to be in the dangerous zone with those temperatures and the wind chill. When that
yeah, you know, Brian, we were talking about it yesterday. Kids probably going back to school this week, so you definitely want to bundle them up as they head out to the bus stops.
Be prepared for that. All right, Matt, thanks so much. Covering New England for you.